Nestled within Rome, Vatican City, a tiny independent state, adopted the euro in 2002, replacing its historic Vatican lira. This city-state, a global hub for religious significance, now shares its currency with its Italian neighbor. The Cold War's stark division was cemented in 1961 when the East Germans erected the Berlin Wall, a barrier snaking through the heart of the city to stem the flow of citizens westward. 1989 witnessed Berlin's symbolic wall crumble. East Germans, granted border freedom, surged through checkpoints, chipping away at Europe's Iron Curtain. The Cold War's icy grip thawed, replaced by hope and a reunified Germany. In 2014, Europe echoed with jubilant reunions as nations marked 25 years since the Berlin Wall's symbolic crash. Central and Eastern Europe bloomed with unity, cherishing the freedom born from that transformative night. The Vatican issued a €2 coin in October 2014, commemorating the 25th anniversary of the Berlin Wall's collapse. Vatican City's €2 tribute to the Berlin Wall's 25th anniversary, bricks of collapsed wall and inscription, 25th anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall 1989-2014. An olive branch can be seen in the center, in a gap between the bricks. There is a piece of barbed wire behind the wall. The Brandenburg Gate appears in the background. At the top is inscription Vatican City. The mint mark of the Roman mint and coin's outer ring bears the 12 stars of the European Union. Limited to just 103,000, this €2 coin is a collector's dream. Its rarity whispers of history, making it a prized piece in any collection. It is also the most expensive €2 commemorative coin issued in 2014.